Want to build a DIY cold plunge tub or personal hot tub?
Our new book can help. It is called DIY Backyard Oasis. The top 5 reasons why you should purchase DIY Backyard Oasis.
Real experience. We learned by doing it. We show multiple options. We provide photos of the parts and setup of the tubs. We provide QR codes for most of the parts. We provide info and details on professional series equipment. Use this book to make your DIY tub project a reality.
With this book, get started today on building your backyard oasis. We have the info. Purchase the book today.
Your backyard oasis awaits. DIY cold plunge and hot tub bliss. Build it, soak it, love it. Click on links, use QR code, or go to Amazon Books and search for DIY Backyard Oasis. Get it today!